Wheelers Family Auto Group is the first dealership in the nation to participate in the dealer community charging program. GM's goal is to have over 40,000 level 2 chargers throughout the United States and Canada, and this is the first one in North America. So we've been really happy to work with Marshfield Utilities as well as the City of Marshfield on a really hard timeline that GM asked us to meet. They've been great to work with, and we're excited to bring this to Marshfield. We're hoping, especially in these rural, underserved communities that don't have a lot of access to EV charging, that this will put Marshfield on the map. This is a great opportunity for people commuting from Milwaukee area to swing through Marshfield, stop and explore our community. So we are very excited to have this opportunity for Marshfield.
Yeah, it's a great thing. Obviously, it's a great partnership with everybody to make it happen. GM contributes to it. We contribute to it, and obviously the city contributes to it through Marshfield Utilities as well, so certainly a great program. Well, we've our GMC locations in Marshfield and Wisconsin Rapids, we have to have level 2 chargers, level 1 chargers actually.
Yeah, level 1 and level 3.
3 chargers, so we'll have the capability at those to accommodate Hummers that are fast charge vehicles and be able to do that. There's not a lot of chargers out there, like Mary just said, in central Wisconsin, so our Merrill location has one, and we get tons of people that stop by that are commuting, that are headed up towards Minocqua or Rhinelander to stop in and get their vehicle charged that way.
Yeah, we've seen 1 foot needs to be an electric, 1 foot needs to be an ICE. I think GM's push to have something for every consumer is great. With that install of that charger we did about 2 years ago up in Merrill, I mean, we've had all sorts of different makes and models come by our dealership, and hopefully we're exposing them to our brand and our facility, our customer service, and then they'll maybe look at a GM vehicle as a new option in their electric family. It's been great to work with Merkle Electric, Marshfield Utilities, and the city to get these installed, to be the first in the nation. So you can pull up here and charge at your convenience. So you can now plan a trip from Milwaukee to wherever you're going. You can make Marshfield your stopping point if you need. Enjoy our parks, our great restaurants, and our facilities in Marshfield here. So you don't have to have a GM vehicle to be able to charge at these. I think this is a great partnership to be able to put chargers on the map in a community that maybe we would have probably been 5 or 10 years out to have something like this in our community. So with GM doing this in more of these rural markets, underserved areas, it's a great opportunity for communities to get involved and work with their local GM dealership.
I'm Ryan Kellenhofer with Merkle Electric. Been in town since 1919, Merkle has been. We've been here over 100 and some years, 104 years, 103 years, something like that. Started out yesterday installing charger. We dug the base, augered the base in, poured concrete, installed the EV charger stand, and then trenched it into the panel and piped it and pulled wire and connected it all up.
EVs, the evolution of EVs and how they're coming out and going to become the mainstream is something that we're trying to prepare for. Obviously, we need to get our infrastructure in place so it's set to help to support the EV rollout. And adding chargers and being able to partner with GM and Wheelers is a very important part of this process so that we can build an engagement, a relationship, but also start to learn what customers' patterns are and understand how they charge so that we can make sure that the system is as efficient as it can be in the future. In addition to this program and helping to support the infrastructure needs to put the chargers in, we also have developed a rebate program. So if you're someone that buys a new EV car, fully electric vehicle, we'll help support putting in a level 2 charger in your home so that you're able to charge and be ready to travel. You can work with your local dealership that'll work with the Marshfield Utilities to get you funding to help you do that and get that infrastructure into your house.
There will be 5 charging stations with 10 chargers in the city of Marshfield. We'll have one up by Wenzel Family Plaza in the parking lot just north of that. We will have one at S.J. Miller Park where our baseball fields are, one at Brain Park, and the final one will be located at our community center next to our library.